Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best features of Gusto for small to medium businesses from my own experience as a business owner. When I first started, payroll was a nightmare. It was time-consuming, and I was constantly worried about making a mistake with taxes. That's why I moved to Gusto, and I've seen a huge difference. First, the single best feature is a full-service, automated payroll. For a small business owner, time is your most valuable asset. Gusto handles all the nitty-gritty, calculating federal, state, and local taxes, and then automatically filing them. You set up a regular schedule, and you can practically forget about it. It's that simple. And if you need to pay a bonus or an off-cycle run, it's just a few clicks with unlimited payroll runs at no extra cost, which is a big deal when your team is growing. Second, the employee self-onboarding and lifetime accounts is a massive administrative time saver. Instead of having new hires fill out a stack of paper forms like W-4s and I-9s, I just send them an email invite. They log in, enter their own personal info, bank details for direct deposit, and sign their tax forms digitally. They even get a lifetime Gusto account to access their pay stubs and W-2s, even if they leave the company. This keeps their records updated and off my desk. Third, Gusto is much more than just payroll. It's an integrated HR and benefits platform. As my business grew, I realized I needed to offer benefits to stay competitive. Gusto made it possible to offer health insurance for 401(k)s and even workers' comp right inside the same system. The deductions and contributions automatically sync with payroll, eliminating errors and saving me the hassle of managing multiple platforms. Finally, I really appreciate the user-friendly interface and excellent integrations. Gusto's dashboard is clean and intuitive. I don't have an HR degree, and I don't need one to use it. Plus, it connects seamlessly with my accounting software, like QuickBooks, which means no more manual data entry or trying to reconcile different systems at the end of the month. It's just simple, automated, and compliant. These features, automated payroll, easy employee onboarding, integrated benefits, and simple software, have saved me countless hours and a ton of stress. They let me focus on what I do best, growing my business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.